Dear, this is first step, finding the electric bicycle and use the toy, open it. This is the 40, okay? Open it. Lock it very tight and then can open it, okay? Tear away. And find the sensor inside. Sensor light inside. You guys can see that? The light right here. Okay. Take over and take it. This is the sensor light. Okay. And then this is the cover right here. Open the screen. Open it out. Okay. Take it away. Take it away. And find the controller light right there. And find the blue light, okay? The blue light is the sensor light. And take away by here. Just throw it out. And then we will get a new one for you. And how to open it and how to connect together.